bucket. All things around us are made up of atoms. Each has 3 particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Electrons spin around the center of the atom and have a negative charge. Protons are in the center of atoms and have a positive charge. An electric current is created when electrons move through a conductor. There are 2 types of currents: direct current, DC. A current that flows in one direction is called a direct current or DC. For example, a battery produces a direct current. Alternating current or AC. A current that flows back and forth is called an alternating current or AC. The symbol of electric current is I. Electric potential and potential difference. Let us look at the concepts of electric potential and potential difference. Electric potential. Electric potential is a scalar quantity denoted by E or V. It is a point equal to the electric potential energy of a charged particle at the location divided by the charge of the particle. Electrical potential difference. Electrical potential difference determines the direction of the flow of charge. For example, consider a pipe connected to a container through a stop cork. The quantity of water in the pipe is less than the quantity in the container. However, the level of water is higher in the pipe than the level in the container. When the stop cork is opened, the water begins to flow from the pipe to the container till the levels of water in both the pipe and the container are equal. This determines that it is not the quantity of water but the level of water which decides the direction of flow of water. It is the potential difference that is responsible for the flow of